If you want to convert a PSD or AI file to HTML in Figma, this tutorial will walk you through the full workflow from import to export, so you can turn a static design into clean, usable code much faster. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Figma and either create a new file or open an existing project in your workspace. Once you're inside, look toward the top left toolbar and open the Actions or Resources menu. In the search bar, type in a converter plugin such as psd.to.design by DivRiots, Convertify, or Codia AI. These plugins are designed to bring your Photoshop or Illustrator files into Figma while preserving as much structure as possible. Now run the plugin, and when the import window appears, drag and drop your PSD file into the designated drop zone. If you're working with an AI file, use the same process and follow the plugin's import prompts. If the plugin asks you to choose a conversion type, select Editable layers whenever possible. That option helps keep text, shapes, and other elements as individual editable Figma objects instead of flattening everything into one image. After you upload the file, give it a few seconds to process. Depending on the size of your design, the plugin may take a little longer, especially if the file has many layers, effects, or artboards. Once it finishes, you should see your imported design mapped into Figma layers. This is the point where you want to check the structure carefully, because a good import makes the next steps much easier. Next comes the cleanup stage, and this part is really important if you want the design to convert well into HTML later. Start by reviewing the layer hierarchy and grouping related elements together. Then apply auto layout by selecting the elements you want to organize and pressing Shift+A. Auto layout is one of the most useful features in Figma because it helps translate your design structure into responsive CSS Flexbox behavior. In other words, it makes your exported code more practical and easier to work with. As you clean up the layout, pay close attention to spacing, alignment, and consistent sizing. A design that looks good visually in Photoshop or Illustrator may need a few adjustments inside Figma before it's ready for export. You should also double-check all typography. Fonts sometimes shift during import, line heights can change, and text alignment may not match perfectly between Adobe apps and Figma. So inspect your headings, body text, buttons, and labels one by one. If something looks off, fix it now before exporting. Once your design is organized and polished, it's time to export it to HTML code. Go back to the Figma plugins menu and launch a reputable design to code plugin such as Anima, Convert Figma Design to HTML and CSS, or Rocket AI. These tools can transform your Figma layout into exportable front-end code. After the plugin opens, select the specific frame or component that you want to turn into a web page. It's usually best to export one section or screen at a time, especially if your design is large or includes multiple pages. Now configure your export preferences. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to choose raw HTML and CSS, Tailwind, or even framework-based code with interactive elements. Pick the format that best matches your workflow or development stack. Then click Generate Code. The plugin will build a live preview of your layout so you can inspect how the structure will look in code form. Take a moment to review that preview carefully. Check whether spacing, containers, text blocks, buttons, and images are displaying the way you want. If something looks wrong, go back to your Figma file and adjust the design before exporting again. That extra review step can save you a lot of time later when handing the code off to a developer or using it in your own project. When everything looks right, click Export Project and download the zip file. Inside that folder, you'll typically find standalone HTML files, CSS style sheets, and asset images ready for use. From there, you can open the files locally, move them into your website project, or continue editing them in your code editor. And that's it, you now know how to convert PSD or AI to HTML in Figma using import tools, design cleanup, and code export plugins. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.